I was looking for a solution that was durable, that was easy to hold, that wouldn't break so easily, and had enough lead and erasers for me that I could stay organized in one case. You pull the end off and the refillable erasers there, and this is where you load the lead. It comes with 8 of these, so I feel like there's a sufficient amount of lead. These are 0.5, but you can get 0.7, 0.9, whatever you want from the company. They click close and perfect for storage back in the case. You load in the lead, adding your existing or a new eraser. There's plenty of refillables for there as well. And then it has this nice storage cap to keep that eraser nice and clean. Tap it in to let the amount of lead out that you want. You can always push it back in. Very easy to hold for me. I have a nice grip. I have no issues writing with this. I feel like I could use it for quite a while, which is nice. Lead is smooth and not breaking on me, and I like that the eraser is right on the end. Just take off the protective cap. It erases really well for me. If I have a big area I need to erase, it does come with 3 of these big chunk erasers, and they work really well too. Just a quick swipe. It does leave residue like every other eraser in the world. Wipe that off and you're good to go. My favorite things, I like that there's the 4 mechanical pencils. They have a balanced weight. I like that there's the replaceable erasers. They come included in each pencil, and it has this refill, so it's really convenient all in one. I like that the 480 pieces of the resin lead. I like that this case snaps closed. It's plastic, 5 by 7 inches, about the width of my thumb, so I feel like you could really easily throw it in any kind of bag on the go, and it helped me stay much more organized and not lose pencils all the time. So overall, I would say it's a complete set. They feel durable. I like them for smooth writing. I like the 4 varying shades of gray. Thanks to the seller for sending these over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I can make more videos like this.